Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Feren OS 2025.03 update. This release marks a major evolution for Feren OS, introducing a Rebase update that sets the stage for a more secure and stable operating system. Overview of the update. In Feren OS 2025.03, the development team has made a strategic move to transition away from relying on custom repositories and PPAs. Instead, they are embracing a robust, curated software sources system that will soon evolve into a new app store. This update is not just about a new base, it's about ensuring that your system remains secure, reliable, and future-proof. Why the change? Custom repositories and PPAs have traditionally allowed for great flexibility by enabling users to access a wide range of software. However, these sources come with inherent risks. Security concerns. Custom repositories often execute scripts during installation and updates, running with full system privileges. This can potentially open the door for malicious actions if the repositories are compromised. Compatibility issues. Since many custom sources are not specifically designed for Feren OS, they can lead to system instability or incompatibilities, potentially breaking the user experience. By shifting to a controlled software sources system, Feren OS minimizes these risks. The new system relies solely on official publishers, which not only enhances security, but also ensures that all software and updates are fully compatible with the system's architecture. Benefits for users. The benefits of this update are significant. Enhanced security. By reducing reliance on third-party sources, Feren OS is making it harder for any external entity to execute unverified or potentially harmful code. Improved stability. With software coming from a set list of trusted sources, users can expect fewer conflicts and a smoother overall experience. Future-ready platform. This update lays the groundwork for a new upcoming store that will streamline software management even further, making the process of finding and installing applications more intuitive. How to manage software sources. For users who still need to access additional repositories outside of the default list, Feren OS has ensured you're covered. The new setup allows you to install an optional package, Software Properties Qt, that provides the flexibility to manage software sources as needed. This gives you the best of both worlds, robust default security and the ability to expand when necessary. Conclusion. In summary, Feren OS 2025.03 is a forward-thinking update that addresses long-standing issues related to custom repositories and PPAs. By prioritizing security and compatibility through a refined software sources system, Feren OS not only improves the current user experience, but also paves the way for future innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day.